Next thing is how to apply integration and differentiation in physics problems. Okay. Suppose they are giving a question like x is equal to, let's take t minus 2 the whole square. So this is just a made up question. I just making the question, that's all. So they're telling find the displacement if it has a velocity. If it has a velocity and the time range they are giving us t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 2. Okay, how to do those things? How to do this question? So first thing for us is blindly we have to expand this thing. Okay, in this problem I will teach you how to do integration differentiation on the same problem. So first thing is expanding this. X is equal to t square plus 4 minus 4t. Correct? Velocity is given in this. Correct? And velocity, as I told you in class 11th or 12th, everything is dx by dt. Velocity is what? Rate of displacement with respect to time. So with respect to t. So now x is this thing, we are differentiating with respect to what? T. So dx by dt, if I'm differentiating t square, just like x square. What is my x square differentiation? 2x. What is my t square differentiation? 2t. Plus 4. Suppose if you don't know, I will teach you here in the next thing. T square minus 4t plus I think 4, I think, so not sure. Yeah, plus 4. Correct? Yes. So I'll teach you how to differentiate this thing. If this is a thing, so first I'll take it for what? I'll split it. I'll put dx by dt or d by d, differentiating with respect to t. Differentiating with respect to t. So I'll split everything. D by dt of t square minus d by dt of 4t plus d by dt of 4. Please note on this formula. The formula is what? D by dx of x power n is equal to nx power n minus 1. That is the only basic formula. So just by using common sense, what it is? D by dt of t square. I don't want to write it again. If I'm differentiating, no need to write it again. T square. Apply this formula. Instead of x, it is given here what? It is t. Instead of n, it is what? 2. So it is 2t here. 2t power 2 minus 1. That is 2t power 1. That is 2t. Minus d by dt of t. T power 1. T power 1 differentiation is, or t differentiation is 1 itself. So 4 into 1. 4 into 1. So 4 itself. Plus d by dt of 4. In this particular case, we don't have any term called t here. Correct? So I can write here as t power 0. There is no, because anything to power 0 is 1. 4 I will take it outside. Correct? Then if I apply the formula, it will be what? Here n is what? 0. So 4 into 0 power t power 0 minus 1. Because it is here what? Nx power n minus 1. So this is 0. N is what? 0 here. X is t. N is again what? 0 minus 1. So 0 and anything is 0. So what we can understand from this step is nothing but what? I'll draw the step here. This step, this particular step. Differentiation of a constant is 0. Okay. So anything 100, d by dt of 100 or 1000 or 10,000, anything is 0. That's it. So I can directly write here as what? 2t minus 4. I'll just put it here. Two t minus 4 I will put it. Correct. So I got dx by dt, or dx is equal to this particular. Dx by dt is what? 2t minus 4. That is my velocity value. Velocity value is what? My 2t minus 4. But again, in this question, if you see, it is again, they're given some x. So this is a total displacement or whatever it may be for this time period 0 to 2. This is just a function. This x is nothing but a function, but this function is traveling in the graph between 0 to 2. Okay. So again, in this, please do not think about anything. It's a very simple concept. Now, if I take this dx by dt, what is my dx is equal to? So v is equal to dx by dt is equal to 2t minus 4. V is equal to dx by dt equal to 2t minus 4. Correct? So in this, what I will do is, I will cross multiply here. Okay, let me just take, that is v dot dt is equal to v dot dt is equal to dx. V dot dt is equal to dx. But what is my velocity value? It is 2t minus 4. 2t minus 4 into dt equal to dx. Now, if I want to find x from this, I have to remove this dx, correct? How do I remove this dx? So if I get two differentiation equation on both the sides, I'll again write it on words. If I get two differentiation variables on both sides, without thinking, integrate on both the sides. So just put integration symbol, that's it. Simultaneous integration, this is called. And all of these things you'll be learning in class 12th only, not now, but it is there in the physics now itself. Now, if I am integrating this thing, so what I will get here, I will integrate this separately. But again, for integration, remember this simple thing, integral of t power n or x power n dot dt is equal to t power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Why I again gave this thing? I could have given integral of x power n dot dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So in order to not to confuse you, I gave this thing. So 2t minus 4 into dt is equal to integral of dx. Correct? Now split this thing. Integral of 2t dot dt minus integral of 4 dot dt is equal to integral of dx. Here nothing is given, so put x power 0. This is 1 itself, right? Correct? Put x power 0. If I am putting x power 0 plus 1 by 0 plus 1. By what formula? The formula, I'll just map it here. Nothing, this formula. Since it is, sorry, not this one, not the t1, it is x here. Now for 2t, I can take what? I can take, this is x power, this is what x only, okay, correct? This x power 0 plus 1 is what? X power 1 by 1, that is x itself. Now I only do integration with respect to what? 2t dot dt minus 4 integral dt. Integral of 2t dot dt minus integral of 4 dot dt is equal to x. That is integral of dx is what? X itself I got. So suppose same thing, 4 integral of dt here if I write, both these things are same. This integral of dt and integral of dx is same. Correct? So I can just put here as what? Minus 4t. Now I have to only integrate this thing. 2 integral t dot dt. This is t power 1. So t power 1 is t power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. That's it. So 2t square by 2. This is my 2 square. Yeah. Then I have to cancel this and this. Minus 4t is equal to x. So t square minus 4t is equal to x. Suppose, now again in this question, I given all the possible ways they can make the question difficult. T is equal to 0 and t is equal to 2. So this is something called definite integral. So I have to just put here as what? 0 to 2. T is 0 to 2. X side not required because t is only given. So this is not required. This let it be x, x itself. So this is 0 to 2. This 0 to 2. The right hand side no need to put. So if I'm putting here 0 to 2, here also I put 0 to 2. 0 to 0 to 2, 0 to 2. And this is 0 to 2. So in place of t, I have to put what? 0 to 2. That's it. So this is nothing but upper limit minus lower limit. What is this thing? UL minus LL. Upper limit minus lower limit. So which means upper limit is what here? 2. T square. So directly I'll write down here on the downside. T square is what? Upper limit 2 square minus lower limit is 0, 0 square minus 4. Only T I am doing, okay, upper limit thing 4T. So what is it? 2 minus 0. I have put here square. I put here square because square is here. Here there is no square, it is power 1. That's the reason I just put here 2. So I just put this value. So 2 square is what? 2 square is 4. 4 minus 8. So this is equal to minus 4. So this is nothing but my x value. So x is equal to minus 4 ampere. That's it.